Monday. All right, go ahead and get your dinosaur book. We're gonna be reading this book this week. This is a long book, so we're gonna kind of break it up into different sections. So we're gonna break it up into 3 parts. On Monday, we're gonna read a third of the book. Tuesday, we'll read the middle of the book. Wednesday, we'll read the end of the book. Thursday, we'll reread the whole entire book. All right, so today, before we begin reading, we are gonna be talking about a lot of the text features that we're gonna be seeing in our story. So we're gonna be seeing a table of contents, which is giving us information on where, so if you open up to right here, you're gonna see that table of contents. It's giving us information on where to find a certain topic. So if I just wanted to know where the biggest dinosaur was, I would turn to page 16. If I wanted to know about the dinosaur skin, I would turn to page 10. And then we have a heading. A heading is at the top of the section that you're going to be reading about. So this is about big, scary bones. So this is my heading for what I'm about to read about. Another heading is digging up dinosaurs. So that is what I will be reading. Okay, there's vocabulary and bold words in here as well. Some of those bold words or vocabulary words are, sometimes they're highlighted. It doesn't look like they highlighted them in here. So one of them will be museum at the bottom. It's nice and big down there. Another one is paleontologist. It has parentheses. It tells you how to say the word. We also have photographs. Photographs just means it's a real picture. Someone did not draw it. Someone took a picture. We have labels in here, and they're going to tell us the name of the dinosaur. We also have a caption. A caption describes what's going on in the picture. So this is a caption right here. It says a tooth of a meat eater, Tyrannosaurus rex, which is describing what's going on. And then there's the glossary. A glossary is at the very back of the book, and it's giving you a definition of those bold words. So it has the word extinct, and it says it's no longer alive. When all members of a group of animal are dead, they are extinct. So the glossary gives us a definition for those bold words. All right, so I need to remind you about those text features because we haven't seen them in a while. All right, so here we go. Go ahead and get your book ready. And go ahead and open up to our first heading, Big Scary Bones. Have you ever seen dinosaur bones in a museum? Some of them are huge. If those bones came to life, it would be pretty scary. But not to worry. All the big scary dinosaurs died off long, long ago. The bones weren't always at the museum. Where did they come from? Word bites. Museum, a building where you can see dinosaur bones and other rare and important things. All right, again, we have our heading up here, digging up dinosaurs. The dinosaur bones were buried safely in a rock for a long time. The bones are fossils. Paleontologists found them. They dug them out of the ground. Word bite. So here's our bold words down here. Fossil, part of a living thing that has been saved in stone. Paleontologist, a scientist who finds and studies bones. So here's that paleontologist in our photograph digging up the bones right here. Now, look at this paleontologist. Look at how big that bone is in his hand. He's studying all of these bones. You can notice that some of them have numbers on them. It's telling them where to go when they want to put the bones back together to make the dinosaur again. They brought the fossil bones to the museum and cleaned them. Then they put them all together. Bones were on the inside of a dinosaur, but what did dinosaurs look like on the outside? So here is another paleontologist putting the bones together, kind of like a puzzle. Okay, dinosaur skin. Sometimes dinosaur skin left prints in mud. The mud hardened and saved the print. These fossils tell us that some dinosaurs were scaly, like a lizard, and some dinosaurs had feathers, like a bird. Okay, so these are the different types of skin the dinosaur had. All right, these are some of the superstar dinosaurs that you guys have probably seen in some of your books or TV shows or movies. Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the biggest meat eaters that ever walked the earth. Diplodocus was one of the longest dinosaurs ever found. Now this one is a little bit hard for me, but if I look on the parentheses, that will help me say it. Pachycephalosaurus walked on 2 legs and had a thick domed head. So there's that big dome that kind of looks like a cone or circle on there. Triceratops had a huge head with 3 long horns and a wide neck frill. And the frill is kind of that curvy thing behind him. Ankylosaurus was an armed dinosaur. It had a solid bone club at the end of its tail. And Stegosaurus had rows of tall plates running down its back. Its tail had 4 deadly spikes. All right, so this is where we're going to stop today. All right, so today is Monday, and this is what I would like you to write about. Would you like to be a paleontologist? Why or why not? I want you to give me at least 2 to 3 sentences explaining your answer. So maybe you're going to say, yes, I would like to be a paleontologist and dig up dinosaur bones, and then give me reasons why. Or you might say, no, I do not want to be a paleontologist and dig up dinosaur bones, and then tell me 2 reasons why you would not like to do that. This is your opinion. It is up to you. Again, take a picture of this and submit it onto Edsby so I can check your work. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.